Passing your state exam feels like the finish line. It is not. It is the starting gun. The exam proves you know the material, but before you write your first policy, there are 5 specific steps that have to happen first. And if you skip one, or misunderstand the order, you will be sitting on the sidelines watching other agents write business. Let's walk through exactly what happens next. Here is the 5-step path from passing your exam to writing real business. State issues your license. Your NPN gets assigned. You submit carrier contracting paperwork. The carrier reviews and processes your appointment. And then, and only then, you are officially appointed and can start writing. Step 1. After you pass the exam, your state insurance department issues your license. This is your official credential. It confirms to the public that you have met the state's education and testing requirements. But here is the thing, the license alone does not let you sell for any specific carrier. That comes later. Step 2. When your license is issued, you are also assigned a National Producer Number, your NPN. Think of it as your professional ID number in the insurance world. It stays with you for your entire career, no matter what state you move to or what carriers you work with. Every appointment, every filing, every piece of business you write will be tied to this number. Steps 3 and 4. Once your license is in hand, you submit contracting paperwork to the carrier or carriers you want to work with. This is not just a formality. The carrier is doing their own review. They are checking your background, your license status, your NPN, and deciding whether they want you representing their products. That review takes time, so do not wait. Submit early. Step 5. The carrier approves you. You are appointed. Now, and only now, can you legally write business with that carrier. This is the real starting line. Everything before this was preparation. This is where your career begins. Here is something a lot of new agents get confused about. Why do you need both a license and a carrier appointment? Are they not just duplicate paperwork? No. They serve completely different purposes. Your state license is about consumer protection and general competence. The state is saying you know insurance well enough to not harm the public. Your carrier appointment is that specific company's decision to trust you with their products and their reputation. 2 different approvals. 2 different authorities. Both required. Now let's talk about something that trips up a lot of new agents' errors and omissions insurance. E&O for short. Here is the plain English version. E&O is professional liability coverage that protects you if a client ever claims you gave bad advice or made a handling mistake. Think of it as your professional safety net. E&O covers honest mistakes and negligent advice, the kinds of errors any professional could make on any given day. What it does not cover is intentional wrongdoing. If you deliberately mislead a client, that is a different category entirely. E&O is not a license for fraud. It is protection for good faith professionals doing their best. Here is the best analogy for E&O. It is the same logic as malpractice insurance for doctors. Doctors carry malpractice coverage not because they plan to hurt patients, but because they operate in a field where honest mistakes can have real consequences. You are no different. E&O is not a sign that someone distrusts you. It is a sign that you are a professional who takes their work seriously. One more thing to know, E&O requirements vary by state. According to Tech Insurance Overview of State Requirements for Errors and Omissions Insurance, Rhode Island is one state that mandates specific coverage minimums by law. In many other states, the requirement is driven not by state law but by what carriers and IMOs require before they will appoint you. Either way, you will need it. Check your state's specific rules and confirm with your upline. Once you are licensed and appointed, the rest of this academy is going to hand you a complete, duplicatable system of success. You will learn discovery questions that open real conversations. You will get AI-assisted, upline-verified product guidance so you are never guessing. You will master the 3-check rule for compliance and confidence. And you will learn how to present with backup so every client conversation feels solid and professional. 4 pillars. Every class from here forward builds one of these skills. By the time you reach the end of this academy, You will not just know what to do, you will have a system you can repeat every single time. Before we roll the first week checklist, here is a question for you. What is the first thing you will do in your first week once you are appointed? Think about it. Seriously. Pause the video if you want. Because intentional agents plan before they act. And what you do in that first week sets the tone for everything that follows. Here is the first week checklist. Confirm your appointment status with your upline, do not assume, verify. Log in and explore your carrier portal so you know where everything lives before your first client call. And review your E&O policy, know what you are covered for and keep a copy accessible. Complete your first discovery conversation, even an informal one counts. Shadow or debrief with your upline on a live case so you see how the system works in real time. And write down your first week production goal. When it is written, it is a commitment. When it is in your head, it is just a wish. You now know exactly what comes between passing that exam and writing your first policy. 5 steps. 2 separate approvals. E&O coverage in place. And a system built to repeat. Now head into the full written training below, lock in everything we just covered, and complete the class quiz to unlock Class 5. Your next level is one quiz away. Let's go!